No, it's all good. I did it all on my own. Hey, my name is Dan Taylor. And successful business owners of our age usually have three problems. And the first problem is they are trapped in their business, trading time for money. And you probably know how that feels because you're probably first in and you're probably last out of your business every single day. And it probably, I don't know, maybe your business is starting to feel kind of like that song, Hotel California. You can check out, but you can never leave. Yeah, and if that's kind of resonating with you, then that's kind of problem one. And it's a huge problem that we've got to master. Trading time for money, trapped in your business. Now, the second problem is a problem I felt all too well, and that is that we're gambling all our family's wealth on one business. Now, that's kind of like being at the casino and betting all your wealth on one number on red. Now, you wouldn't do that, would you? No, you would not put your family at that kind of a risk, expose them to that kind of risk. Well, without even knowing, we're doing that on a daily basis. Or maybe you're more resonating with problem number three. And problem number three I see all the time is that no entrepreneurs have an effective exit strategy. Now, this exposes them to massive risk and massive storms. We all know them. The great financial crisis, the COVID, the lockdowns, interest rates, inflation, bank busts, money printing. What's coming next? And will the next one take the legs off your business and reduce your family's wealth and perhaps change your outlook on retirement? You may have to downgrade your lifestyle in retirement. Now, I know how you feel, and hopefully one of those or maybe three of those problems resonated with you. Perhaps you want to think about that. Which one resonated with you most? I know how you feel because I had all three problems. I was trapped in my business, trading time for money. I was gambling. I had everything on red. I was in the gambling business, but I didn't realize I was gambling with my family's wealth, net worth. And I also didn't realize I didn't have an effective exit strategy. And so when a big financial storm came along, it kind of nearly wiped us out. See, we grew our business to 30 million. And then in the great financial crisis, it nearly wiped us out because we never seen that storm coming. We never took chips off the table. So if you're a successful business owner and you have a debt-free, profitable business that trades from its own commercial real estate, then we have a three-part framework, and perhaps you can get to your beach like I got to my beach. Now, if you want to create a capital event that will change your life, if you want to transform your active income into passive income, and if you want to create an exit strategy without the tax man stealing half of it, then I invite you to let's have a call. Let's have a one-to-one call. You and I, founder to founder, having a chat. We're not a corporate. We're a small family business that wants to help entrepreneurs, family business owners exit their business to change their life and get them to their beach. Book a call, and I look forward to having a chat with your good self.